Music. Citizens Bank or Zions Bank? Which one's right for *U**? In this video, we'll compare both banks to help you decide. Find direct links to their products in the description below. Let's explore their key features and who they best serve. Citizens Bank offers a full suite of personal and business banking services. Think checking and savings accounts, credit cards, mortgages, personal loans, and even student loan refinancing. Citizens Bank is great for those who value easy access and digital tools. Their mobile app features mobile check deposit, bill pay, and account tracking. Small business owners benefit from tailored services like business checking, cash management, and merchant services. Citizens Bank's extensive branch network is a big plus if you're in the Northeast. Zions Bank primarily serves the Western United States, specializing in personal and business banking. They offer checking and savings accounts, loans, and credit cards, and are particularly strong in mortgages and home equity lines of credit. Zions Bank shines with personalized customer service and financial expertise, especially for small business lending and commercial banking. While their branch network is smaller than Citizens Bank's, they have a strong community presence in their operating regions. Their online and mobile banking platform covers the basics: bill pay, account monitoring, and fund transfers. So, Citizens Bank offers a wider range of services and a robust digital experience, ideal for convenience and flexibility. Zions Bank excels in personalized service and business banking, especially home loans and small business loans. Both are great options depending on your needs and location. Check out the links below to learn more and choose the best bank for you.